to call Master Pranay to express his views.
शेतकरी स्वतःसाठी कधीही पिकवत नाही. शेतकरी स्वतःसाठी कधीही पिकवत नाही. इतरांसाठी पिकवण्याचा धर्म तो कधी विसरत नाही, कधी विसरत नाही. Good morning one and all present here, respected Vandile sir and chief guest and all my dear friends. Myself Pranay Sandeep Hagul. We are gathered here to celebrate Farmers Day. Farmers are the most important people in our society and are also considered the backbone of society. No individual can imagine life without them. All our daily requirements all fulfilled by them. The fresh vegetables and juicy fruits we eat are all because of their hard work. Since the entire population depends upon them, still the farmers do not have proper living conditions. Farmers are far away from all the luxurious and comforts of life. 4 पैसे कमाने पर खुद को बड़ा बोलना बहुत आसान है. 4 पैसे कमाने पर खुद को बड़ा बोलना बहुत आसान है. लेकिन ये मत भूल, तेरा पेट भरने वाला सबसे बड़ा किसान है, सबसे बड़ा किसान है. थैंक यू.
Thank you Pranay for your motivational speech. So now I would like to call Anuradha Tai to express his views.
हैरान हूँ, परेशान हूँ, दरबदर ठोकर खाकर भी खड़ा रहने वाला चट्टान हूँ. हैरान हूँ, परेशान हूँ, दरबदर ठोकर खाकर भी खड़ा रहने वाला चट्टान हूँ. हालातों से जो हार ना माने, हालातों से जो हार ना माने, मैं वो इंसान हूँ. हाँ मैं किसान हूँ, हाँ मैं किसान हूँ. A very warm and pleasant morning to one and all present here. Honorable Vandile sir, respected chief guest and all my dear friends. Today we all are gathered here to celebrate Farmers Day. What is Farmers Day? Farmers Day is a day set aside to honor and recognize the farmers' hard work and contribution to society. Why is Farmers Day are important? Farmers Day is important because it recognizes the vital role that farmers play to producing food, clothing and other necessities of life. It is a day to show appreciation for the hard work and dedication of farmers who often face challenges and difficulties in their life. Why is farmers are important? Farmers are the pillar of our nation. They work hard to supply food items for everyone living in the nation. In India, nearly 2/3 of population relies on agriculture for their livelihood. लोग कहते हैं बेटी को मार डालोगे तो बहू कहाँ से पाओगे. लोग कहते हैं बेटी को मार डालोगे तो बहू कहाँ से पाओगे. ज़रा सोचो, किसान को मार डालोगे तो रोटी कहाँ से लाओगे, तो रोटी कहाँ से लाओगे.
Thank you Anuradha Tai for your melodious speech. So now I would like to call Ms. Purva to express his views.
Good morning everyone, respected Vandile sir, chief guest and all my dear friends. I am Purva. I am student of Vandile sir English speaking and personality development classes. I am here to present poem on Farmer Day. एकजुटीनं पेटल रान तुफान आलया, काळ्या भुईच्या भेटीला हे आभाळ आलया. भिगाळ माय मातीच्या या डोळ्यात जागली आस, घेऊन हात हातामंदी घेतला लेकरांनी ध्यास. लय दिसानी भरल्या वाणी शिवार झालया, एकजुटीनं पेटल रान तुफान आलया, काळ्या भुईच्या भेटीला हे आभाळ आलया.
Thank you Purva Tai for your melodious song. So now I would like to call Ananya to express her views.
रानात दिनभर राबतो तो आहे खरा राजा. रानात दिनभर राबतो तो आहे खरा राजा. रानात सोनं पिकवतो शेतकरी माझा, शेतकरी माझा. A very good morning my friends. I am Ananya Satish Mohite. I am the student of Vandile sir English speaking and personality development classes. Today we are gathered here to celebrate Farmers Day. Farmers Day is a special day when we say a big thank you to farmers for their all hard works. Farmers are that people who grows our food like fruits, vegetables and grains. On this day we celebrate how important farmers are. They not only produce us with yummy food, but they also help our country economy. That means they play a big part to making our country strong and happy. खेतों में हो सदा हरियाली हो पानी का हर बूंद सुझहरा. खेतों में हो सदा हरियाली हो पानी का हर बूंद सुझहरा. नीले नीले गगन में पंछी बोल रहे हैं, नीले नीले गगन में पंछी बोल रहे हैं, वाह रंग क्या रंग लाई किसान की मेहनत. During Farmers Day, there are event where we see appreciations to farmers. There might be fast or slow, where we learn about farming and see different kind of uses. We also give award to farmers who do an excellent job. मैं किसान हूँ, थकूंगा ना कभी हल चलाते, तूफान भी आए आंधी भी आए, थकूंगा ना कभी हल चलाते. रातों को जागकर पानी खेतों में देता, रातों को जागकर पानी खेतों में देता. हो काली रातें डरूंगा ना कभी हल चलाते. हो कोई आफत या हमला कीट पतंगों का, हो कोई आफत या हमला कीट पतंगों का, आंखें नम न करूंगा कभी हल चलाते. काटूंगा फसल वैशाखी पर पाली मैंने, काटूंगा फसल वैशाखी पर पाली मैंने, रंग लाई मेहनत, हटूंगा ना कभी हल चलाते, हटूंगा ना कभी हल चलाते. थैंक यू टू लिसन माय स्पीच. जय जवान जय किसान.
Thank you Ananya for your knowledgeable speech. So now I would like to call Aparna Tai to express her views.
कोई परेशान है सास बहू के रिश्तों में, कोई परेशान है सास बहू के रिश्तों में, किसान परेशान है कर्ज के किश्तों में, कर्ज के किश्तों में. क्यों ना सजा दी पेड़ कटाने वाले शैतान को, क्यों ना सजा दी पेड़ कटाने वाले शैतान को, खुदा तूने सजा दे दी सीधे साधे किसान को, खुदा तूने सजा दे दी सीधे साधे किसान. Good morning everyone, respected Vandila sir, chief guest Shivani Tai and all my dear friends. My name is Aparna from student of Vandila sir, English speaking personality development classes. Today I am delivering speech on Farmers Day. It is the birth anniversary of Chaudhary Charan Singh. He was the fifth Prime Minister of India. He introduced many programs and schemes. This day was celebrated for time is 201. जिंदगी की कहानी जनाब, जिंदगी की कहानी जनाब, बेहसर हो जाएगी अगर हम किसान नहीं रहेंगे तो दुनिया खत्म हो जाएगी, अगर हम किसान नहीं रहेंगे तो दुनिया खत्म हो जाएगी. थैंक यू.
Thank you Aparna Tai for your interesting speech. So now I would like to call Master Som to express his views.
चीर देते हैं सीना धरती का, चीर देते हैं सीना धरती का, अपना पसीना बहा के. वो इंसान नहीं देश का किसान है, देश का किसान है. A very warm morning to one and all present over here. I am Master Soham Praveen Kade from Vandila Sir English Speaking and Personality Development classes. As you know that we are gathered here to celebrate Farmers Day. National Farmer Day, also known as Kisan Diwas, is celebrated every year in India on 23rd December. The day is also celebrated to mark the birth anniversary of Shri Chaudhary Charan Singh. Do you know why the farmers are poor? Because the farmers do not think that what they want to do. For example, farmers grow crops and they sell to other shops. So they do not get that much of profit, but they do not think that they should open their own shop. कितना भी डिजिटल हो जाए हिंदुस्तान, कितना भी डिजिटल हो जाए हिंदुस्तान, पर देश की शान देश का किसान, देश का किसान. थैंक यू.
Thank you Som for your melodious speech. So now I would like to call Deep Sir to express his views.
So hello everyone, myself Deep Mankar and I am so happy to see you all here on this auspicious occasion of Farmers Day. Today we tribute to all the farmers. Myself Deep Mankar and today I am going to speak about the current situation of the farmers. If we talk about the suicidal rate of the farmers, you know my friend, per day more than 150 farmers suicide per day. It is very shocking thing. And a few months ago, in the month of February, the protest was held in Punjab named Delhi Chalo Delhi. So in that protest they demanded for the MSP and it was not shown on the single media. It is so shocking and it is so shameful thing to all of us. And our three main basic needs, that is food, water and shelter. Farmers fulfill our one of the most important basic need and that is food. They fulfills our need. And here I am ending my short speech. Thank you for listening my speech and thank you.
Thank you Deep Sir for your golden words.